If statistics is your only option left, you've already done calculus and the only course left for you to take at your school is statistics, then by all means take statistics. Some form of mathematics is better than zero math in your senior year. Okay? I will refer you to the website when it comes to anything dealing with the transfer of college credits. We do accept AP and IB exam credits. We do not use your score on those exams for admissions purposes. Those scores are for placement. Okay, but I'm going to refer you to the website. There's a nice explanation about that. We will be test optional again for this next reading cycle in terms of SAT or ACT. We do encourage students to try the SAT or ACT and see how you do. And then once you have gotten your score, you can figure out whether or not you want to submit your score to RPI. So if you've already kind of taken that hurdle and you're wondering what would be a good score to submit to Rensselaer, SAT-wise, if you scored a 1400 or above, that's definitely a score that you should submit with your application. And then if you've taken the ACT instead, and you got a 32 composite score or higher, that's a score that you should submit with your application. Okay? We do super score the SAT, so if you've taken it multiple times, just send us the scores. Well, you figure it out, but we will figure it out as well. We do not have a specific list of extracurricular clubs or organizations that we are looking for. I always ask students, what are you passionate about? What are the things that you've been involved in that you have a real passion for in terms of clubs or organizations? Those are the things that we will have a passion for you. So, don't think that because you're interested in engineering, I have to do robotics, or if you have a passion for that, or if you really like that, then you should be involved in that, okay? So do the things that